Hello, New Testament students. It's Professor Christensen. Welcome to week 7, your final week of New Testament class. Week 7 starts on Monday, June 22nd, and it ends a little earlier than normal. Friday, June 26th is the last day of our semester. So please take note of that. As always, make sure that you've completed everything from weeks 1 through 6 before you advance to week 7. This week is basically the same flow as we've been having the whole semester, but the timing you see is a little bit changed. It's a little bit reduced because of the semester ending on a Friday. So this week you will have a discussion post. Your discussion post is due on Wednesday, not Thursday. And your 3 replies are going to be due by Friday, the last day of the semester, not the following Sunday. So just make sure that you note that. Pretty easy prompt this week. It's how has your understanding of the New Testament changed from the beginning of the semester to now? And what unanswered question or questions about the New Testament would you like to continue exploring after this class ends? So nothing too hard. I just want to see kind of what's stuck for you in the midst of all this and maybe what's intrigued you for further study. Everything else is the same. You're going to be reading the New Testament books. You're going to be reading the textbook. You'll be watching a video and responding to it. You'll read a few additional readings, all like normal. But again, all of those papers are due by Friday night, not Sunday. So make sure you turn stuff in on time. Better yet, a little bit early, because there is no opportunity for turning in late work this week with the end of the semester. So I have to turn in grades right after the class ends. So just be aware of that. Our topic this week for the final books is 1st and 2nd Thessalonians, and then also the final book of Revelation. Some really interesting stuff there. I'm grouping those together because those books talk collectively about what we call eschatology, the end times. What's going to happen when the world comes to an end and Christ returns. There's some interesting stuff in there in Thessalonians that talks about the man of lawlessness. And in Thessalonians, we also talk about the return of Christ. And then, of course, Revelation is filled with all kinds of interesting imagery like Armageddon and the millennium and the beast and 666 and all that. You're going to learn all about that this week. No final exam this week, so you're done with exams, but our final Zoom call is happening on Tuesday, June 23rd. Make sure you don't miss that. As always, if you have any questions at all, contact me. Call me, text me, email me anytime. I'm here to help you. God bless. Welcome to week 7.